wanted to follow the crowd, calling for the sacking of Coach Phil Simmons and Desmond Haynes and Jimmy Adams and even President Ricky Skerritt after the disastrous embarrassment of the World T20 exit. It kind of sounds too cliched and common. Simmons must go and blah, blah, blah. But when you think about it, the West Indies did not get knocked out of the World Cup. We did not make it to the World Cup. We lose to Scotland and Ireland and barely beat Zimbabwe to finish dead last in a qualifying group trying to get to the World Cup. So we can't go around it. People have to lift up anybody who have anything to do with the cricket aspect of this West Indies team should go. Simmons, Haynes, Adams, all of them, plus Ricky Skerritt himself, who put out a long, lame statement saying nothing at all. In principle, all of them should go. If we're going to insist on setting standards for the players, we must also insist on administrative and coaching standards as well. And this kind of embarrassment must fall below any such standard. So resignations must come, or we're sending the wrong signal. So there is no need to pack any bags. You all just go. Go! For the good of West Indies cricket, you all must go. Just we will send the bags after. Just lift up and go. Yes, go. Yes. Go! Yes.